Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can win Shopify Chargeback. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Winning a Shopify Chargeback involves providing strong evidence to contest the claim made by the customer and demonstrating that the transaction was legitimate. Chargebacks can occur for various reasons, such as claims of unauthorized purchase, undelivered goods, or dissatisfactions with the products or service. Here is how you can increase your chances to win the chargeback. So, first of all, you need to understand the chargeback reason. Each chargeback will come with a specific reason, such as fraud, product not received, product not as described, or duplicate transactions. You need to gather as much evidence as you can: proof of delivery, proof of purchase, communication with the customer, products description and photos, return and refund policy, and fraud prevention. Submit your chargeback request or response. Once you have gathered all the relevant evidence, you will need to submit your response through Shopify. Here's how to do that. First of all, go to your Shopify admin and then click on Orders. Select the order associated with the chargeback. Scroll down to the timeline section and click on View Chargeback. Click on Submit Response to submit your evidence and attach all the documents that support your case and provide a clear explanation of why the chargeback should be reversed. Ensure your evidence is well organized and concise, making it easy for the bank to review. Response within the deadline. Chargeback cases are time sensitive, so make sure you submit your evidence before the deadline. Follow up. Once you've submitted your evidence, Shopify will send it to the issuing bank. The bank typically takes between 60 and 75 days to make a decision. If you win, the chargeback amount will be returned to you. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.